Hi guys, welcome back to another devlog of my dinosaur game. Last time I made the core game loop and created two boss battles. First one was the Ankylosaurus with a deadly tailspin, inspired from Bowser's tail swipes in the Super Mario Odyssey. This week I'm gonna finish the game and also make some extra cool final bosses. Oh, and also, by the time you see this devlog, the game is available to play for free. More about that later in this video. What's the most terrifying dinosaur one can imagine? Is it the T-Rex? Is it the massive Mosasaurus? Everyone who have seen the second Jurassic Park movie knows it's the Compsognathus. At the first glance it may seem cute and harmless, and maybe they are, if they were alone. Let's create some models for the next boss battle, the little chicken-sized dinosaur Compy. I created 7 models for the complete running cycle and made a quick animation in Unity, similar with the one we have for the player, and this is how it ended up after animations. And if you still think it doesn't look very frightening, what about now?
Oh my God!
With a little bit of trial and error and code tweaking, I ended up with this. For every time they show up, the attack pattern becomes faster and harder to master. Okay, we have the small dinos working. Let's move on to the next boss battle. I started off with a quick and rough image of a dino bird in GIMP, imported the image to Magica Voxel and also made a wing for it as a separate object to the body. I then imported the models into Unity and animated the wings by simply duplicate the wings and give each a different rotation from the body. And this is how the bird turned out when we hit play. So I made the attack pattern way more aggressive by making it dive all the way to the ground, forcing the player to jump at the exact right time to escape the bird. If it missed the target, it will crash and baby dino survives. I wanted to be able to finishing the game this week and publish it, so I also made the last necessary things regarding game progression and UI. It can be hard to know the difficulty of a game you have created yourself, but for me it's getting quite hectic during the third time you meet the bosses. Especially the tail sweep one where the timing is really critical. But I'm not a pro gamer, so maybe you can run longer distance than me. The last addition I made was to add some particle effects on top of the big volcano to make the background come to life just a little bit more. Okay, time to finally upload and publish the game to itch.io. So, you'll find link to the game in the description, give it a try, like if you like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more game devlogs. Bye!